Yeah, so that's another great, just like the Smart Input Command Assistant tool, you have another tool here that it allows you to save a lot of time. And if you don't remember where something is, you have a very quick way of getting there in traditional mode. So thanks for that demo, Tim. Um, we want to move into one other feature in the April update, maybe the email composition from traditional mode or Wikipedia. I'll let you choose. Then there's going to be a very brief announcement before we get into the Q&A, and then maybe during the Q&A, someone will think of something else that they want to have quickly demoed.
I'm prepared to give the email demo a try, but I haven't used it for a little while, so no promises it'll be the perfect demo. But the idea here is, and this was in the April release, that you don't always want to have to go into the desktop mail program to get a quick email sent out. So I won't go through all the steps, but I will generally bring it up. So let's first of all just
Note 198.txt.
start from a standard place. So we'll do OCHord here.
Options menu, open.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press / for menu search.
Enter search text.
And I'm going to type in mail.
H 401
A
52 11 matches.
L.
Compose email in Thunderbird menu.
Now that's actually what we want.
Send to.
So here I could type in who I'm wanting to send it to. So I could type in something like Tim blah 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 blah. Backspacing. I'm just going to write TIM at Tim to keep it satisfied. I'll press enter.
CC.
I can CC it to somebody as well, so I can type in their email address.
BCC. Subject. This
is a live demo. And I'll press enter.
From file.
Now what we can do here is we can look for a file that we've worked on in the editor that contains
quick message from file.
The text. I'll get Stephen Blazie in a tick just to clarify this with me. This could be for an attachment as well. I'm not sure if this is a file for your content of your message or an attachment, but I think
from file.
Let's say that your message comes from the file. But what you can also do if it's a quick message, it might just be a message to your mum and you're in a rush and you're wanting to say Happy Mother's Day.
Quick message.
So happy
G Mothers message. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Hit enter.
Include an attachment. Default is no.
Okay, so this clarifies that we can also include an attachment that we can find in our file system.
Starting desktop mode.
And now what it's doing, and you'll hear I've got the beeps as we're switching over to the desktop side of things. And it's going to, in a moment,
screen reader on.
Take us into Thunderbird.
This is a live demo Thunderbird frame. Message body. Editable content.
Happy and here we are. Focus mode. We can now type in a full extra bit of information, or we can send this message. So I won't go any further because I don't have a proper send to address. But the whole idea of this is that you can quickly assemble a message in the familiar traditional mode, and following the detailed help that's available. If I bring up help here.
Help not available from Compose.
Ah, okay. Well, it's not available from Compose. I don't know why that is. It's just a desktop anomaly. But certainly there is help for this feature under the Thunderbird help. And what you can do is you can send this message off, and most of the work is done if you're not a desktop user in the traditional side. Now, you do need to do the one-off process of setting up your email account in Thunderbird, which is a little bit tricky, but once you've got it set up, you're ready to go. And this is just the start for ways to get these sort of necessary tasks that people need to perform to make them easier and more efficient.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this.